Understanding, self-satisfied, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of English phrases, focusing on self-satisfied. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. Self-satisfied is an adjective describing a feeling of great pleasure and satisfaction with oneself or one's achievements. It can have a slightly negative connotation, suggesting a kind of smugness or complacency. It's important to understand the context in which it's used to grasp its full meaning. Now, let's see how to use self-satisfied in sentences. This will help you understand how it's used in everyday conversation and writing. 1. After winning the award, he had a self-satisfied smile. 2. Her tone was self-satisfied, which annoyed her colleagues. Notice how the phrase adds a layer of meaning about the person's attitude. Understanding synonyms and antonyms helps to deepen your understanding of self-satisfied. Synonyms: complacent, smug, self-congratulatory. Antonyms: dissatisfied, humble, modest. These words can be used in similar contexts but carry slightly different nuances. It's also important to understand the cultural context. In some cultures, being self-satisfied might be seen more negatively, as it can imply a lack of humility. In others, it might be viewed as a positive trait, indicating confidence and self-assurance. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, self-satisfied. We hope this video has been informative and has enhanced your understanding of this English phrase. Remember, language learning is an exciting journey, and every new phrase you learn adds to your linguistic toolkit. See you in our next video.